Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we are going to take a tour of this Harris 230 Cruiser. Now notice here with the color, with the sage green, great looking color on and off the water. We'll start also with the tunes. So nose cone with a spray guard, keeping you dry as you're going through the waves. And also you notice here on the bottom of the tune, we have this chine at a 90-degree angle, keeping you dry and stable in the water. Let's step here towards the transom. Notice our bimini here, easy up, easy down, giving you shade, as well as giving you sun if you like it throughout the day. Powered by a Mercury 150 horsepower motor, giving you a good cruising speed. And then also your Clarion speakers here on the back deck and your swim platform, easy to get on in and out of the water. Let's step up in the boat, see what the inside has to offer. All right guys, now we're here at the bow of the Harris 230 Cruiser. So 2 sun loungers on port and starboard side. And notice here, they've done new for 2024, is they put a recessed little gutter, if you will, on each side. So you put your phone there, put your beach towel. It's there, it's not gonna slide out, and also not gonna interfere with your seating. USB ports on every cup holder, as well as RGB lighting inside the cup holder, give you that nice color feel. So storage in here, also your boat cover your whole boat, keep it looking brand new for years to come. Here at the helm, we'll have a 7-inch Simrad display, your JL audio head unit with your 6 Clarion speakers, and as well as a wireless phone charger. Here at the back, your aft seating, as well as storage underneath every little chair, keeping your valuables nice and dry. Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Come by today and look at this 2024 Harris 230 Cruiser. Thanks, have a good day.